Today, I'm flying to Barcelona from Dallas, Texas in American Airlines business class. My connecting flight to Dallas was delayed, and sadly, I didn't have time to enjoy the lounge. At least I made it on time for boarding. This aircraft had 20 business class seats in a 1-2-1 configuration. My seat was 1L, which offered a lot of privacy. The business class seats recline to a total of 77 inches, and there is plenty of storage space. The flight lasts a little over 9 hours, but it should be comfortable. I ordered a Glenlivet 12-year Scotch for my first drink, and the flight attendant gave me a double shot. The starter consists of citrus poached shrimp and fish ceviche and baby spinach salad. For my main course, I picked herbed short rib. I ordered a red wine with my main course, and they poured me a generous amount. Maybe a little too much? The lavatory was slightly larger than the economy class one, but it wasn't anything special. After resting in the lie-flat seat, I chose a fresh fruit bowl for my breakfast. The Amenity Kit is from Austin-based brand Raven plus Lily. I didn't expect much, but the food was great. The service was also great, way better than American's domestic first class. I'd love to catch another American Airlines international flight, hopefully in business class again. I originally booked a flight from Minneapolis to Madrid via Philadelphia using 55,000 Alaska Airlines miles. Due to the weather, I was rerouted through Dallas and Barcelona. So I'm transferring in Barcelona for my flight to Madrid. I had some time to stop by the lounge here. In the next video, I'll be sharing my trip to Madrid.